Stop wearing your knotless braids in a basic ponytail. If you want to see how I did this cute and elegant halo braid hairstyle on my knotless braids, then keep watching. Starting off with my hair, I have my hair let down. I'm going to take a section from the side and start braiding it around the perimeter of my head, ensuring that I'm grabbing all the hair that is let down so that it has like a smooth finish, like it's all, how do you explain it, you know, when you're braiding your hair and you may have some bumps because it didn't hold it tight enough. Yeah, that's what I mean. And I'm so sorry for this part. I did not realize it was out of focus, but all I was doing was attempting or trying my best to braid it around, because that part was the hardest, because you have to change your hand placement to make the braid form properly going around. And we're ending off at the front of my head because I started at the side, and I'm going to braid the hair all the way down. These are long knotless braids. If your hair or your braids is shorter, then all the better, that's better. But because my braids are so long, I'm gonna braid it all the way down, and you're gonna see why. I'm gonna add a rubber band to secure it so it doesn't unravel. And now I'm going to take the hair and I'm gonna wrap it around my head. So just follow the way I did it. So I put it under, and when I reach the side, I put the tail over and try to tuck it within the braid, the bigger braid. Just ensure you're keeping your eyes on the screen for this part. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it properly, so just pay attention. And here, because the hair is so long, I didn't want it to be that long, so I'm just doing this Bantu type vibe to it so that it hangs. That's all I'm doing, and I'm just wrapping it up. Wrap. The style is so cute. I was so in love when I did it. Do the same thing to the other side, and yeah, this is why I said you needed to braid it all the way down, because you see right there where I wrapped it around, yeah, it looks flawless. So if you had stopped early, then it will just be unbraided hair that is showing. And I'm using some bobby pins, hair pins, to secure the tail into place so that it doesn't loosen. And yeah, this was such a cute hairstyle, like 10 out of 10. This style was gorgeous. Oh my god, just gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and tell me in the comments if you'll be trying this style. And also check out this video where I did some cute styles that you could try as well.